Slow cooker beef stroganoff. Heat a large frying pan over high heat, add oil, then cook the beef in batches for about 5 minutes, stirring to brown it evenly. Transfer each batch to the slow cooker as you go. Heat more oil in the pan, add onion and mushrooms. Cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the onion softens. Stir in garlic, ground paprika, smoked paprika and mustard. Cook for another minute, then add it to the slow cooker. Pour over tomato and stock and give it a stir. Pop on the lid and cook for 4 hours on high or 6 hours on low. To finish the stroganoff, add sour cream and Worcestershire sauce. Mix cornflour and a little water, then add it to the slow cooker. Stir, then cook for another 5 minutes to thicken the sauce. Season with salt and pepper. If you don't have a slow cooker, cook in a flame-proof casserole pan over low heat for about 2 hours. Here's the perfect side for your beef stroganoff. Cook the fettuccine in a large saucepan of boiling water until al dente. Drain well. Melt butter in the pan over high heat, letting it brown slightly. Add the fettuccine, parsley and dill and season with pepper. Toss to combine. This classic family favourite is so easy to make in the slow cooker. For more slow cooker recipes, check out our soups and slow cooker recipe playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.